Okay guys, I don't know if you guys can help me out with this. Anybody that knows what they're doing for computers. I have an HP Stream. I think it's a 14, but I tried to download something earlier, which I shouldn't have because it was an untrusted link and it gave me a virus or something. And now when I try to go online, this is what happens. It says preparing automatic repair. And I've tried several things to try to get it fixed, to restore it and everything. And I can't restore it because I don't have enough memory. I don't have hardly any memory left on there, so I can't restore it like that. And then it'll say diagnosing your PC here, and then it takes me here. And I tried restarting it, and it does the same thing like it just did. And then I go to advanced options, and well, I don't have a device to use, like a disk to fix it or a USB thing. But I go to the troubleshooting, reset the PC, and it won't even let me do that. I tried both of these to remove everything and keep my files, and it does this. See, it says there's a problem resetting your PC, no changes were made. It says the same thing also on the other one. And like I said, if I turn it off, it's still going to say the same thing when I boot it up. And if I continue, it's still going to reboot and say the same thing. And like I said, I'm just having a lot of issues here trying to fix this. I don't know what to do. There's a startup repair. But again, it does the same thing, diagnosing your PC, and this does nothing. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if this laptop's completely gone now. There's no way to fix it. But it's an HP Stream. I've had it since probably a year and a half now. And never had an issue until today. And again, like I said, it takes you back to this setup. Repair couldn't repair your PC. Like nothing works. Nothing works to fix this at all. So I'm frustrated. I don't even know what this is. I haven't tried that or this. But if you guys know what to do, can you walk me through these steps, what to do? Because I have no idea what to do. I've tried this, and like I said, it does nothing here. So if you guys can help me out, figure out what to do, how to fix this. Because I'm low on memory, so I can't restore it, because it just won't work. Alright, if you guys know what to do, leave me some comments so that way I can try to fix this. Alright guys, thanks for watching.